Bore da, and welcome to day 10 of Bedtime Welsh. 10 days already. Oh my word, where's it going? And this is a take two because we got about 3/4 of the way through the last one and then I got things all mixed up. So trying again. And we've got Maddock. Maddock was waving back at us yesterday when we waved at Maddock. So let's wave at Maddock again. Maddock! And Idris has been working really hard and doing really well. So da iawn Idris, da lati, keep it up. And Alice has just caught up. Alice in Rhythyn says hello, Angharad. So you can say...
Alice.
Hello, Alice in Rhythyn. Sydd yn wyth oed. Oh, anwyl da. And yeah, it was really lovely to get that video from Jack, actually. So any of the other kids who are watching this want to send a video in of themselves saying the longest sentence they can think of, that will be a lot of fun. That will be really interesting to see in Slack. So for today, day 10, what we've got for you is the Welsh word for what. And the Welsh word for what is beth. That's a th sound. Beth. So the Welsh for what is...
Beth.
Beth. Harris Minnie Bach, just to me. Oh, please, guys, Angus, and no. Angharad has got a monstrous pile of jelly mixed with cream here that she doesn't want me to show. Oh, and Beno thinks we should have a cat, but the cat doesn't think we should have that. Oh, look at that jelly. Okay, so what I wanted is...
Beth o'n i isio.
Da iawn, beth o'n i isio. What I want is...
Beth dwi isio.
Beth dwi isio. Da iawn ti. Beth dwi isio. What I want now.
Beth dwi isio rŵan.
Beth dwi isio rŵan. Da iawn. And then last one for today. What I wanted to remember.
Beth o'n i isio cofio.
Beth o'n i isio cofio. Da iawn. Well done. Okay, hwyl am y tro.
Ta!
Ta-ra!